MVP, and I'm so excited to try this out. It comes in this adorable luxe ASMR packaging, and you just twist it, pops open, and then you just, I mean, folks, Rihanna's giving. She always gives. She always gives what we need, okay? So, we are gonna try this, and this is a first impressions because I've never tried. I'm so excited to try this, okay? Okay, here we go. Wait, do you see this red lipstick? Are you witnessing what I'm witnessing here? Here's the thing. I normally don't ever wear lipstick because it, like, let alone red lipstick, because it intimidates me. I feel like I don't know how to really apply it. But this, now as you can tell, like when I first put it on, it was, you know, I'm not perfect at putting on lipstick because I don't wear lipstick that much, but this is so easy to put on. Of course I had to clean it up a little bit because I made a couple mistakes, but it's so easy, and like the tip of it is like perfectly, I feel like my cupid bow is kind of like Rihanna's, where it's kind of like indented, and I was just able to perfectly, I don't know if you can see, get in there and make that shape. And it's, you know how some lipsticks, like the lip part is like, the inside of your lip is kind of like not, there's nothing on it, so it kind of looks weird. This is not that. It's so creamy, it's so easy to apply, and I think for my first time, like, not putting on lipstick, like I haven't worn lipstick in years. I never wear lipstick. I feel like this is pretty easy to apply for like lipstick beginners, and I don't even have a lip liner on. I feel like a lip liner would definitely like make it easier to, like, you know, kind of trace out where you want everything to go. But I'm proud of myself, and this, you guys, this is game changer. I'm gonna do, stay tuned. I'm gonna get the nude shade. I really want to try the nude shade. I think that'd be really nice. But yeah, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This is my quick and easy little red lip makeup tutorial using the new Fenty lipsticks. Mine's in the shade MVP. You gotta get it. You just gotta get it. This video, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you'd like to see more makeup reviews by me, and I will see you in my next video.